Hey friends, welcome back to your channel. This is Shoptik and you're watching ytsoupart. If you have not been familiar with Sourav Joshi arts, this channel, then I don't think you have been looking really closely on YouTube. Obviously, if you are an artist or you are a drawing lover, art lover, then you should follow this person, Sourav Joshi. Currently, Sourav has become the most subscribed drawing YouTuber from my country, that is India, and it feels hugely uh, proud a situation for me because this guy is quite young. I would say I think he's just gone into his 20s, but still his drawing is phenomenal. Like any of those drawings, like he mostly does realistic drawings, even though I remember he was famous from his simple castle drawing, which went up to 4 million views in few days. And those days, YouTube, we mostly watched those kinds of drawing videos, but then again, he showed us his talent later on. He is hugely and immensely, as I said, very talented as an artist. He concentrated at first on pencil drawings. I remember the one video where he had shown all of his 100 drawings, and they were, I do not have words, to explain him. I have really been a big fan, even though he's younger to me, but still he has got much more talent than me, and he's a self-made artist that is something which is phenomenal. It's by God's grace he has got all this talent, and he has been cultivating that. So it's not about he has got the talent so he does not sketch out something. He keeps on drawing every day, and that is something which we should really learn from him. Not only about his drawing, but I would say that he has really been influential to a lot of artists all over the country, and in the Hindi speaking or Urdu speaking regions, in fact, to our neighbor countries too. So that has been really good, for drawing, for art as a whole. So Sourav Joshi, he's a simple boy, and the way he has carried forward his drawing in his channel and the way he has got popular is something that we need to learn from. Maybe popularity and all the results we do not have in our hands, but the amount of hard work that this boy does is seriously good. So congratulations to him and to his talent and to his hard work that he has reached 1 million subscribers of in his channel. I remember I was a subscriber of him when he was in the thousands, and now he has 1 million. So that's a great achievement for him. And then again, Sourav had started a new channel of his that was vlogs, I think 1 year or so back, and this has been even more popular because we came to know what kind of a boy he is, what kind of a family he has. His family is really very supportive with him, and that is something that most of us Indians really are not that much familiar with, because whenever you try to be an artist in India, it's not a very high paying job anywhere. So even though thanks to internet it has been really good for freelancers, otherwise in India, to be an artist and your family supporting, that's kind of not does not go together. So his family has been behind him, and that has been seriously phenomenal. Again, I love to use this word phenomenal because it is synonymous to him and his channels. And now with 2 channels he has got 1 million. Both the channels have crossed it. So the first one that crossed 1 million was this vlog one. Even though for some reason or something he will not be getting the YouTube play button, the second one which YouTube provides after crossing 1 million. But that definitely is not a kind of a barrier, because he keeps on uploading his vlogs every day. That is at 8 a.m. and he's very very meticulous about that. It's a very good thing. We do not realize that how much hard work goes behind a YouTuber's success. We only see the money. We see things that they buy, things that they show off and everything, but we do not realize that these people have to record videos every day. Then again, in particular, Sourav being an artist, he needs to draw every day, and then he records everything and then edits them, because obviously editing takes a lot of time, but still he does that every day, and that's huge. That's mind-boggling, isn't it? So his hard work is definitely paying off. He's such a good example of keep doing what you want to do, and definitely the results will follow. And that's something his channel has always been showing us, and that's great. I loved the way these people celebrate, every time they cross a simple milestone like 10,000 to 100,000 or 500,000 followers. They what they do is they celebrate it with friends and family, neighbors, and they cut a cake, they dance together, and that's great. Even in his vlogs he shows that his family, mostly the one that I'm drawing here, Piyush, is his brother, and both of them are so fun to see in the videos, and that's something that makes me a fan of his in particular. I wanted to draw him at the end of 2020 when he is reaching 1 million, but somehow I thought I will miss it. But then again, when his second channel, there's the arts channel, also reached 1 million, I just had to prioritize his video at first. So I sketched him, and this is what I got for you. I would love to know what you think about Sourav Joshi. If you are not yet familiar and if you have not seen his channel, I would suggest you guys, if you love drawing, if you love fun living, or everything that is Indian, you should go and follow his channel. And he's a brilliant artist. I cannot say that enough. He's such a good artist. He actually teaches how you can do it really well and beyond. So that's something which is good. He's doing a thankless job, but still I would say that 10 years from now there will be many people who would know Sourav Joshi as an artist and someone who had inspired them to become an artist. So thank you, Sourav. If you are listening, I'm not sure whether you will ever, but if you do, then thank you for whatever you're doing. And that's something which you need to realize, that it's something beyond that what you think you're doing. So thank you. Thanks for what you're doing for the society, for all of us in the country. We all are proud of you. There are multiple hate comments. I don't know who does that, because what bad can an artist do? Even though even I, as such a small channel, have also got hate comments. So there's something that you just need to go on with. That's what he does. So I would suggest all of you to subscribe to both of his channels. I have done that, and I am a big fan of his. So that is why I have sketched him and his brother. These two are the best in the family, even though I love his parents, his another brother, his dadi, that is his grandmother, and everyone around. So that's something I'm a fan of. I wanted you guys to know, if you are not yet familiar with him. And that's what was for today's video. Did not talk too much about my drawing, because I don't think you need to know about this. What I did was used a charcoal pencil simply, and then went ahead with the top down approach, and I have kept the video slow so that if you want to draw, you can do it. That's it for the video. If you have liked it, then please hit the like button. If you are not yet subscribed, then please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.